It's time.
Showtime.
We're about to show you right.
Fellow humans, we are gathered together to witness the joining of two people made of starstone. Some time ago, these two met and fell in love. Now they are here before us to vow that it is so, and to vow that they will continue that love for the rest of their lives together. Do the two of you so vow?
I do.
We do.
I do.
Then Timothy, please repeat after me. I, Timothy, take you, Warren, to be my soulmate, to love and to cherish, for as long as the stars burn. Warren, please repeat after me. I, Warren, take you, Timothy, to be my soulmate, to love and to cherish, for as long as the stars burn. Now, by the power vested in me with these people and the universe as our witness, I pronounce you married. You may kiss your beloved. Celebrate!
I need another picture of the kiss.
We're already celebrating.